I see Ahsoka Tano, but I also see Percy Jackson. Yeah. I'm just gonna go film that right quick. No, we're not going into the Disney Junior dance party or the launch bay. I am going to film Percy Jackson. Alright. So what you're going to do is you're going to enter one man's dream. It's around the corner. Voyage to Little Mermaid. Yeah, me neither. Disney presents his one man's dream. Percy Jackson. Can't get there fast enough. Percy Jackson sneak preview.
Don't dream it. Be it. Don't dream it. Be it. Don't dream it. Be it.
Yes. Point to the sword. Look at me.
May be releasing Myth of Magic, the card game, into the public for people to buy. That's cool.
Hello folks, in a little under 2 minutes we'll be presenting a preview for Percy Jackson and the Olympians, a Disney Plus original series. If you wish to see the preview, please make your way to the end of the museum and turn right. While waiting in the lobby, please stand behind the solid yellow lines because the doors will open automatically towards you. Please leave the top left rows for our guests traveling with mobility devices and their families. Once inside, choose your row and move, and have a seat. Thank you and enjoy the preview.
Yeah. This gentleman must have just passed away.
Drinking, or flash photography during our presentation. Thank you.
One, take one, day one, action. I'm Walker Scobell and I play Percy Jackson. Great. Where do we start? When I found out I got the role of Percy, I was very excited.
Well, I just wanted to get on because I have some news for you. Sir, congratulations, you are Percy Jackson. You got the part.
I was also pretty nervous because it's a lot of responsibility. I don't want to let any of the Percy Jackson fans down. I don't want to let myself down because I love Percy Jackson.
Heroes you see here in this room are reminders of what we are capable of.
Walker Scobell has the absolute perfect voice for Percy Jackson.
Grover, why is there half a goat in your pants?
There was a certain combination of attributes, I think, that were almost impossible to know what you were looking for until you found it.
So cool, right?
He's funny, he's playful, he's got a little bit of mischief to him.
We love you, Bob.
He came in with the best attitude. He worked so hard. He pushed himself. He was amazing with the stunts. He was amazing with the deep emotional scenes.
He's such a fan of the books. He knows that voice intimately, and he's got that sharp wit, that heart, but also that heroism.
Getting onto the call and we as a team offered Walker the role, you know you're talking to a regular 13-year-old kid, and knowing everything is going to change for him and for his family and for us. And then to see the look on his face when he realized that he was going to be Percy Jackson was pretty remarkable.
We got a lot of work ahead of us, but we're going to have a lot of fun too. We're looking forward to working with you.
This is Percy Jackson.
Perseus. That's me.
That's who you're named after.
Because he was a hero?
Because he was brave and kind and against all odds, he managed to find his way to a happy ending.
I'm used to the world feeling weird to me. Like a puzzle with half the wrong pieces. But lately, it all feels different somehow.
Percy, you are special. When you're ready to hear what the gods have in store for you, they'll tell you.
Percy, the stories I have told you about Greek gods and monsters, they are real.
This is crazy.
You are a half-blood, and half-bloods are not safe in the world.
Everything has been training for what's still ahead of you. Hold on.
Percy Jackson, your father needs your help. The Master Bolt has been stolen. If you don't return the bolt, there will be war. That is your quest. I know it sounds daunting, but you won't be alone. A quest is always undertaken by 3.
Demigods process reality differently. We gotta figure out what you're good at.
Should I try again?
No!
No! There's no place for me here.
You still don't get where you fit into all this. We were sent on a quest by the gods. What do you think, it would be easy?
Demigods, welcome.
Mom, I'm not leaving you. Perseus!
Hold fast. Brave the storm. Maybe I won't even need a sword. I'm gonna need a sword.
Personal belongings and exit through the doors on the left. And enjoy the rest of your day here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Alright, my friends, if you do us a favor, just say don't leave. Thank you.
Yeah, good luck with them.
Everyone to the Walt Disney Theater, go ahead and select a row of your choice. Once inside, just go ahead and please refrain from eating, drinking, video recording, or
Oops. I videoed most of the thing.